13th Foundation Day of HRRL. I'm Jibran Asim. I would like to take the opportunity to tell you about my journey here. It's been 1 year since I joined HRRL. I joined straight from college. I'm from Jammu and Kashmir. It's been a wonderful journey. I've had a lot to learn. I'm currently working in the commissioning department, looking after the polypropylene unit. As a college student, I always wondered whether I could handle a project of such a scale or work for it. But due to the mentorship of my colleagues and my seniors, I have got a lot to learn. I have had interaction with the licensors, the EPCC, the consultants, who have all shared their refined and vast experience with me, which has evolved me as an engineer. If there is a place for a chemical engineer to be currently, it's this large scale project, because we get to experience a lot. As it's a greenfield refinery, there's a vast amount of experience for us. So if there's a place for a chemical engineer to be, it's here.
My name is Soumyadeep and I am currently working in HRRL PPU unit, and this is a world class project we are working, and we are very much thankful for this facility HR is providing, and wish you a happy Foundation Day to HRRL, all family.
Hello everyone, my name is Bharti Mehra and I am a mechanical engineer graduated from MNIT Jaipur. Today, on the Foundation Day of HPCL Rajasthan Refinery, we celebrate the remarkable journey of growth and innovation. This refinery, the symbol of growth and many opportunities in our nation. It's been 2 years working in this refinery and I'm a part of planning department. I'm feeling very fortunate to be part of the planning side of this mega refinery project. It's really exciting to see how every small detail we work on today will shape into such a massive development tomorrow.
Hello everyone, myself Archa Pradeep from Trivandrum, Kerala. I graduated in mechanical engineering from NIT Karnataka in 2024 and further got placed in HPCL Rajasthan. I have been working in HPCL Rajasthan since July 2024 in the planning department. Our department monitors and reports the project progress, and I've been lucky to be part of a very driven team. I consider working in HPCL Rajasthan a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, as getting this hands-on experience on big scale of a project in the beginning of your career doesn't come handy. It's truly a learning curve, and every day I make sure I make the most use of it. So yes, the location is tough, but the vision is stronger. Happy Foundation Day. Thank you.
Happy Foundation Day, HRRL. Myself, Adish Jain. I am from Kota, Rajasthan, and I am an electrical engineer. I did my engineering from MNIT Jaipur. Currently, I am working as an assistant engineer at HRRL in the electrical department. Here, I am looking after the 220 kV switchgear, which is responsible for all the power which is being utilized inside the refinery. So, जब भी power cut होता है, तो सब units में काम halt हो जाता है और switchyard में restoration का काम start होता है. I am grateful to HRRL for giving me this opportunity to learn and challenge myself at such a critical 220 kV facility. Thank you.
Hi all, this is Krishna Singh, engineer maintenance. I am working here for last 3.5 years, and it's a privilege to be a part of such a great industry, HRRL. It is one of the largest public sector entity with a refinery cum petrochemical complex, and we are privileged to be a part of such a big organization. And it has a wonderful clubhouse, and we can see that badminton courts, snooker, pool, TT, squash, everything is there. And wish everybody, HRRL family, a very happy HRRL Foundation Day.
Happy Foundation Day HRRL. I'm Aishwarya Chaukikar, a graduate of National Fire Service College. Currently, I'm working with HPCL Rajasthan Refinery as assistant officer. And I joined HPCL Rajasthan Refinery on 5th August 2024. As we know that fire and safety department is very male inclined field, and I am very grateful, thankful also that HRRL gives me opportunity to become first female fire officer in fire and safety department of HRRL, and which also not only gives me an opportunity to contribute towards industrial safety, but also gives me also inspire me and break the barrier, and also motivate other women to join this field.
विकसित देश की कल्पना भी थी। महात्मा गांधी ने गुलामी की जंजीरों को तोड़कर महाभारती को आजाद कराया। अब हमारा कर्तव्य है कि गंदगी को दूर करके भारत माता की सेवा करें।